Hello everyone. Today we will see what is a manipulator. What are the different manipulators that are available in a C++ and how we can use it inside our program. So manipulator is a special function which we have to use for formatting our output display. Manipulators are the special functions that can be included in the IO statement to alter the format parameters of a stream. That means whatever the output we have displayed, if I want to display in a particular way, with the help of manipulator we can display our output. Now for using that manipulators, all these manipulator functions are included into one header file, that is a iomanip.h, which provides a set of functions that are called as a manipulators and which can be used to manipulate the output data. Whatever the output you want to manipulate, for manipulating that output, the different functions that are used, that are included in this iomaniph.file. Now these are the different manipulators. This table shows the different manipulators, their meaning and how they are equivalent to the iOS functions. In previous session we see the different IOStream classes functions, that are the width, precision, then fill, then setf, unsetf. So what are the different manipulators functions which are equivalent to this function, we will see in this session. So first manipulator is a set w. Set w into bracket integer w. This set w functions is basically used for setting the width and field width to the w. W is nothing but whatever the size you specify, and this set w function is equivalent to the width function of our iOS class. Next function is the set precision. Set precision, this function is again used for setting how many digits you want to display after the decimal point, and this function here, d is nothing but a number of digits which you want to print after the decimal points, and this function is equivalent to the precision function in the iOS class. Next is set fill. Set fill function is used for filling the unused portion of your width with a special characters. Here c is nothing but a character, with which character you want to fill that portion, and this set fill function is equivalent to the fill function of your iOS class. Next is set iOS flag. Set iOS flag is used for setting the formatted flag, that is it is used for setting the different flags which is equivalent to the setf function of your iOS class. Next is reset iOS flags. Once you have set the different flags inside your program, after displaying your output, that means whatever the in which format you want to display the output, after displaying that output you need to reset that flag, that is clear the specified flag, unset, and this function manipulator is equivalent to the unsetf function of the iOS class, and we are using endl for inserting new line and flush the stream, which is equivalent to the /n. We see one by one all these manipulators function. First, now if you remember that if we want to use the width, precision, fill function of the iOS class, we need to call this function with the help of object, because these are the member functions of iOS class. So we cannot directly call that function, we need to call them with the help of object of the iOS class, that is with the help of either cout or cin. Now we are formatting our output, so we always call these functions of the iOS class with the help of cout object. But set w or set precision, these are not a member function of any class, these are the manipulators. So you can directly use this function because all these functions are included in iomanip.h file. So in you can use, once you have included that file inside your program, you can directly use this function. So the syntax or how to use that function, here I show you with the help of example. Here we are saying cout set w10 and the output is 1 2 3 4 5. That means we are setting the width to the 10 character as shown here. We are setting our width to the 10 digits, and we are displaying only the 5 digits, that is a 1 2 3 4 5, and this statement prints this value 1 2 3 4 5 as a right justified in a field width of 10 character. As I said, कि when we are using width function or set w function, by default the output is displayed as a right justified. If you want to display the data as a left justified, you need to use the different flags, which we have already know in our previous session. Next is, if I want to display this data not as a right justified but a left justified, so I show it how to use that with the help of iOS flag. Here we are saying setting the width to the 10 characters, that is a set w10. Now I want to print this data not as a right justified but left justified, so I have set the iOS flags, that is a iOS left. We are setting the flag to the left justified, so this data, these 5 digits are displayed as a left justified. One statement can be used to format the output. For 2 or more values, set w function, it is used for setting the width only for the one data. If you want to set the width or different function for the different data, you can use it. Cout set w set precision 2 for the given data. Now here I am using 2 function at a time for the same data, and it is possible. Here similarly we are using set w function, set precision function for the square root of 2. So it prints all the values in one line with the field size 5, 10, 15 respectively. Now the next question arrives is that, then what is if both the function manipulators as well as the iOS function, they are performing the same task, then what is the difference between the manipulators and IO function? The difference in the way the manipulators are implemented as compared to the iOS member function is the iOS member function, which returns the previous format state that can be used later if necessary. But the manipulators does not return the previous format state. So in case if we need to save old format, we must use iOS member function rather than the manipulators. That means whatever you have done the changes, that is temporary for the iOS function, and if you want to return to the previous state, you can return it with the help of iOS function. But with the help of manipulators, once you save whatever the format you have specified for the given output, that is permanent. That means you cannot save the old format again if you want to use it again. Here we show how we can use the different manipulators inside our program, with as well as we are using some iOS function also. If we want to use the different manipulator inside our program, we need to include the file iomanip.h, which contains all these manipulators function. Here we are using setting the flags with show point, then we are setting the width as a 5, then 15, and again then 15. We are creating 3 columns, that is the inverse of n sum of term. And here we are taking the one program in which we are calculating the sum of different terms and setting our flags to the scientific flag, and this is the output for the program. Now next is, what is the user defined manipulators, or how we can create our own manipulators function. The general format for creating the manipulators without any argument is shown here, that is OStream, that is the output stream, and manipulators. This is the function name of your user defined manipulators, and OStream and output, this is nothing but whatever the value you have passed to that function, whatever the code, and return output. Suppose I want to write the user defined manipulator function, that is manipulator name is unit, which when we call this function, it will display the output as a inches. So here I am showing OStream. What is the name of manipulator? That is a unit, OStream and output, and whatever the code you want to write, you can write here. I want to display inches, so I show output inches and return output. Now the statement, suppose I want to use that. So how to use it? Suppose I want to display 36 inches, then cout 36. After that I say unit manipulator, so it will give you the output 36 inches. Here is another program for creating our user defined manipulator which display the output in this way. So if you see properly, it will have width is equals to 10. You can set the width 10. You can fill the unused width with a star character. After precision, after decimal point, you want to display only 2 digits, so you can use the precision function. You want to display the data right justified, so you can set the flag as a right justified. So I required 3 things. What are the things? First, I need to set the unused portion with the star character. Then I want to display only 2 digits after the decimal point, so I am using the precision function, and I want to display this value as a right justified, so I need to set the flags. So in this case, in a user defined manipulators, first we give the name to that user manipulator as a form, and here we are using 3 functions, that is output dot fill for filling the unused portion with a star character. We want to display only 2 digits after the decimal point, so we are setting precision 2, and we want to display the value, the output as a right justified, so we are using the flag as a iOS right, iOS adjust fill, and setting the total width, that is a 10, and return the output. Inside the main, we are just saying cout form 7684.2. We can display this value as this. We are saying form, so this function is executed for this value. I hope this session will be helpful for you. Thank you.